What's up guys? Welcome back to Unlocktherapy, your one-stop shop for unlocking the power of your tech. Today, we've got the brand new Google Pixel 9, and I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it so you can use it with any carrier, anywhere in the world. Whether you're switching carriers or traveling abroad, this is the guide you need. First things first, let's find out if your Pixel 9 is actually locked. Some Pixels bought directly from Google are already unlocked, but if you got yours through a carrier like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, chances are it's locked to that network. You can check your network status in your settings. If it says locked or asks for a SIM network unlock PIN when you insert another carrier's SIM, then it's definitely carrier locked. But don't worry, unlocking it is easier than you think. If your Pixel 9 is locked, here's how to unlock it. You've got two main options. Option 1. Contact your carrier. This is usually free, but it can take a few days. Make sure your device is fully paid off and not reported lost or stolen. Just give your carrier a call or use their online unlocking tool. Say something like, "Hi, I'd like to unlock my Pixel 9 for international use," and they'll walk you through the rest. Option 2. Use a third-party unlock service. This is faster but usually comes with a small fee. I've linked some trusted unlock services in the description. All you need is your IMEI number. You can find it by dialing *06# or by going into your phone's About section in Settings. Enter that number on the unlock site, pay the fee, and you'll receive an unlock code or confirmation, often within minutes. Once you've got your unlock complete, power down your Pixel 9, pop out your old SIM card, and insert a new one from any carrier. When the phone boots back up, you should see signal bars almost instantly. If it asks for an unlock code, go ahead and enter it. Now your Pixel 9 is completely unlocked and ready to work with any SIM card, whether it's AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Mint, Visible, or even international carriers. It supports both ASIM and physical SIM, plus global 5G and LTE bands, so you're covered just about anywhere in the world. Traveling abroad, just pop in a local SIM when you land, or use a digital eSIM service like Google Fi or Arolo. You'll get connected instantly without paying crazy roaming fees. And that's it. Your Pixel 9 is now totally unlocked and ready to go with any network, anywhere. Simple, fast, and no more carrier restrictions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tech unlock guide. Drop your questions below. I reply to almost everyone. Check the description for unlock service links compatible SIMs. Unlocktherapy. Free your phone. Own your freedom.